Please check on your friends that have babies now. That have kids. We are suffering. Tell me why must I eat this? Because this is... But if I don't eat it, then it's gonna go to waste. I'm holding a problem. What did I say I'm gonna do first? Oh, marinate the chicken first. So let's do that.
Hello.
Who are you saying hello to?
Huh?
Who are you saying hello to? To the photo. Okay.
Or are you doing a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Remember Mama had a YouTube channel.
Huh?
So I'm posting again.
Posting?
But it's mine, it's not yours.
Mm-hmm.
You are not gonna have a channel.
Only when I'm your age.
No.
Yes.
Not even when you're my age.
Yes.
Okay.
When I'm your age.
Okay. Okay.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out. But we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love.
And we are going to love and leave her in the fridge for the next 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah, for the next 2 hours. 2 hours. We're gonna love and leave her. that's my biggest mistake because they're currently playing with the water. But I just wanted to prepare the beef whilst they are in the water. And that oats that I had, unfortunately, it didn't stay in my system. So I am feeling a little bit weak. I need something to eat that's going to just get me a little bit energized. So I'm gonna prepare the beef quickly, leave it on the stove while I bath them. Guys, stop playing with water. So so I'm gonna quickly prepare the beef because beef takes quite a bit of time, and it is currently 9:45, and my guests are arriving at 1 p.m. So I just want to put it on the stove quickly so that by the time I'm done with the kids, at least it would have cooked just a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prepare the beef and then
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart.
I am done, guys, and it is exactly 9 a.m. So this is my outfit of the day. I have on whatever these Nikes are called, Air Max, the boot. I have on these pants that I got from Refinery, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think I got them from the Refinery. And then I got on my Armani Exchange t-shirt. Please help. All of them are doing this. Do you guys know what causes this or not? Because they're all getting holes like that. And I have on my Craigie belly binder because doctor said I need to put this on. It looks like it's too busy down here. Looks like it's too busy. So yeah, this is me for today. And then I'm gonna put on a jersey, and then yeah, I'm out, guys. Gonna go have breakfast and yeah, get my day started. I'm out of breath because you know what, lots going on. But yeah, peace. Hi guys, so I am back from running my errands. I did my hair. I'm gonna put on a wig tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my wig and then put it on. And then I did my nails. I cut them very short as well. I did a pink color just so that I can ease myself if this baby is a boy. Just so that I can ease myself if this baby is a boy. And yeah, it was so adventurous, guys, today. I am so tired. My baby's not comfortable at the moment. I'm not comfortable as well. There's a whole lot of things that are going wrong currently. But that is okay. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna take the kids. No, I'm not gonna do that. My husband's gonna take the kids to the salon tomorrow. And then I want to try and sort out my outfit that I had bought Izolo that I was supposed to sort out namhlanje, but I didn't because I didn't have time for that. So I'm going to sort it out tomorrow, and then I'm going to take my sister and my sister-in-law with me because today was quite a lot. I am in a little bit of pain. Baby is a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. And then I come from Oriental, so I'm gonna try and get some of the other stuff. And then yeah, I think that's that on that for Sasa. And then on Saturday we finally find out what's the gender of this baby. And guys, I've been getting like hectic Braxton Hicks. My gynae had to give me shots the past 2 days because she was just afraid that I would go into preterm labor because my contractions are like the Braxton Hicks or contractions or whatever you call them. They are like literally the pits of Pittsburgh. They are literally the pits of Pittsburgh. Apologies for that. The kids missed their aunts, so they're making a noise downstairs with their aunts. But anyway, I think that is it for the update for today. And then I'll see you guys again tomorrow when I properly take you guys with me tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. Yeah. Oh, as well, the thing that disturbed me is Lou, she got bitten by a bee at school, so I had to go get her and bring her home, and then yeah, it was a mess. But anyway, see you guys. I'm gonna cook, but yeah. Good morning, everybody. It is a actually today. It is the day that we officially know the gender of our baby. I am actually so tired. I don't want to lie to you guys. Like, I am so exhausted. So it's currently 7 o'clock. I decided to wake up so that I can get ahead with my day. I still need to install. I still need to go to Oriental Plaza. I have to go return my dress again because the one that I got yesterday is also very small. So yeah, now I'm gonna go make something for myself to eat, and then probably install quickly, and then run the errands, and then come back and start preparing, because wow, I'm so tired. I am so tired. I haven't been sleeping for the past 4 days. I am exhausted. My back is sore. My wuha hurts. It's a mess. It's a mess. And I've been waking up more frequent than usual these days, so I'm not having it. Anyway, let me stop complaining. I just wanted to tell you guys that what am I gonna get up to today. Yesterday I did go to the mall, but I got other stuff. I got distracted, so today I have to get the stuff for today. Today I have to get the stuff for today, so hopefully we'll get that done and everything will be sorted. Yeah, anyway, mostly guys, and I'll get the vlog. Hi everybody, I am done showering. I'm done putting on my wig. I am done with some of the other stuff, so now it's time for me to go and get the balloons and get some of the other stuff that are missing, and also exchange my dress. And I think I will be done for the day, and then come back, come prepare, and then come back and come prepare for the balloons and all that stuff. But anyway, I am done. Let me show you my little outfit of the day. And this is my outfit for now until I change. Just this what do you call this 2-piece set that I got from Shein. These are just your tights and a baggy Mom Life t-shirt, and obviously my belly binder, and I've got on my pink Crocs. So this is me for now, and yeah, let me go so that we can come back and finish everything. But ndimlona guys, when I come back I'll probably just do a little bit of makeup, and yeah, wahala. Wahala. Sharp. Hi guys, we are at KFC now. Utahang. Utahang. I'm with my sisters. I went to go. I didn't exchange the dress. I had to get another one because the shop that I was looking for in the mall I was at, I couldn't find it. So now we're waiting for the balloons. I'm having lunch, breakfast, because I'm hungry. And then after that, we just want to get the balloons, go home, and get everything ready, and prepare everything. Hopefully, I'll have enough space for today's content, and then I'll close off this vlog. Now, anyway, let me eat, guys. We'll talk. Bye.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally I made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. Memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel.